Did you know if you add 2 cups of powdered milk to a pan, then add 3 cups of sugar, and also add 2 cups of water, mix it all together really well. Then turn on medium heat and stir until it changes color and texture. When it reaches this stage, it's perfect. Now just take it off the heat and transfer to a dish. Here I'm using a greased skillet. Now we just wait for it to cool down. And our 2-ingredient dulce de leche is ready. Now just cut it into any shape you like and enjoy. And look folks, how amazing it looks. A perfect treat for your dessert. I hope you all enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.